Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 20, and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate of this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Display. Following that, select Screen Refresh Rate and click on the best option for you. I will go with High Refresh Rate. So now when I click on the back button, as you can see, refresh rate of my ZTE has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!